The coronavirus disease, commonly known as COVID-19, affected millions of lives around the world. The ADRA network, which is present in 118 countries across the globe, immediately responded to the pandemic during its outbreak in 2020. The ADRA network established a COVID-19 task force to combat the virus. It implemented 422 projects in 96 countries to serve 20 million people who were affected. Sri Lanka is one of the countries that was severely affected by the pandemic. In response to COVID-19, ADRA carried out several initiatives to support most vulnerable communities, the health sector, and frontliners. ADRA continues to fight the pandemic in Sri Lanka through the Building Resilience and Vaccine Awareness Project, also known as the BRAVE project. Through this project, ADRA supports the efforts of the health sector to mitigate the virus and raise awareness regarding the importance of COVID-19 vaccination among people.
Good day to all of you. Welcome to our first ever session of BRAVE Roundup. This is a web series carried out by ADRA's BRAVE project in partnership with Hope Channel in order to raise awareness about the COVID-19 pandemic and the vaccine. Today, because of the current situation, many of us seem to have forgotten that the COVID-19 pandemic is still a threat. But we urge you to take precautions and follow all safety protocol in order to protect yourself and your loved ones. Without further ado, we'd like to dive into our session. And today we have here with us a special guest, Dr. Dilshan Ratnapala, the Additional Medical Officer of Health, to tell us more about the current COVID-19 situation. Good day to you, Doctor.
Good day to you.
So I would like to know what the current situation is worldwide.
Yes, number of new cases of COVID-19 patients and COVID-19 related deaths are gradually decreasing since the end of this March of this year. And also there are emerging some new cases in worldwide we can observe. For example, in the America region and the region of Africa, there are new emerging cases are being reported. Number of cases are reducing mainly due to the successful of global COVID-19 vaccines campaigns. Yes.
Do you know how many people have been vaccinated thus far in Sri Lanka?
Yes. There are 77.7% of whole population from Sri Lanka get at least one dose of COVID vaccine up to now, and also 65.9% of Sri Lanka become fully vaccinated by taking 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccinations, and also but only 36.3% populations got their booster doses. So I think people have more motivated to get their booster doses.
Yes. The government of Sri Lanka has made it mandatory, has said that it's not mandatory to wear masks anymore. Is that advisable, Doctor? Is it safe?
No, government has reversed this decision. On Director General of Health Services has issued the circulars on 21st of April 2022. That was emphasized that people should wear mask as usual in previously. So it's a government advice and people should follow that.
Doctor, as you are aware, the current economic crisis has brought forth so many people onto the roads.
Yes.
And you get people gathering together, sometimes without masks on the streets.
Yes.
What is your advice to them?
Yes, I have seen that situation, that a lot of people are spreading without mask also. So it is not advisable because the COVID-19 pandemic is not completely over, and the virus is still also among our community. So people should practice global COVID-19 precautions methods such as wear masks, keep physical distance, and also maintain their hand hygiene also, and also they need to keep their sanitizer in their bags. And also I would like to emphasize that importance of taking both doses of COVID vaccines, and also if you are not get your booster dose, take immediately your booster COVID-19 dose for take excellent protection against COVID-19 disease.
Thank you, Doctor, for sparing your valuable time for this. And that brings us to the end of our discussion. We urge you to take the good doctor's advice and follow the precautions. Take the vaccine and the boosters as well. It's very important as well. When you are vaccinated, we urge you to share your picture on social media with the hashtag I'm vaccinated and hashtag stand against COVID-19 and tag address Sri Lanka. We also ask you to share these videos with your loved ones and friends and families around the world in order to spread the awareness about the vaccine and COVID-19. Thank you and see you next week.